What's up guys, this is Aviation Lat 11 and today we're heading to Toronto so we can see the air show. I'm literally so excited right now. So right now we are traveling on the highway and we are on our way to downtown Toronto right now. I just got races here. Anyways, we're on our way. Now 25 minutes just after driving to Toronto, we are now finally parking near the CNE. So the air show is going to start at 12 p.m. and it's right now 11, so it looks like we're gonna have 1 hour to just walk around. Maybe we might explore the Rose Gardens. So in the Rose Gardens they're gonna have like an aviation display with all aviation related stuff. So let's go there very soon. It's me again, sorry about that. But anyways, after a few minutes of walking because we got lost, we have just finally made it to a great spot where we're gonna watch airplanes. Now, unfortunately, we're not able to go to the Rose Garden because we possibly might have to pay for it. And my family does not really want to pay. But anyways, I'm sitting right here. I don't think you're gonna see it much. And the air show is gonna start at 12 p.m. So I think it's right now is 11:20 a.m. right now. So the air show is gonna start not so far away right now. I might do a little bit of plane spotting because over here I'm near the Expedition Ontario place, and this is where the planes from Billy Bishop Airport are taking off. So let's see if we can catch any. Okay, so now my family has just walked through the Ontario Center, and now we're like in a picnic area. We're gonna buy some food, and the air show is gonna start right now. So enjoy some really great footage of all these great aircraft, and I'm really excited. Are you? Let's go. Really nice hot dog. Man, this is really great. And in the middle of the air show, hello. Cheers, I got a hot dog. Alright, let's continue this great air show with the Snowbird. Wow, this was an amazing day. that concludes today's video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We did though have to leave early because the traffic's going to be a nightmare if we leave like everybody else. So we are on our way to the mall just to do a little bit of more extra walking. Tomorrow I also have school, so that's going to be a big change for me. But although today I enjoyed the air show a lot and enjoyed the snowbirds, the helicopters, I even got a chance to see the Trans-Canada Airlines former aircraft. But unfortunately, I did not have time to film it because it flew too late. But anyways guys, I just hope that you liked the video. Subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to hit me a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.